Ever wonder why celebrities wear rings on the right middle finger? It's not fashion, it's feng shui. Rings are never just decoration, they carry meaning. On the left hand, rings are tied to love and marriage. Think of four simple words: ask, heat, marry, alone. Index finger, ask, a sign of being pursued, waiting for love. Middle finger, heat, passion, engagement, deep romance. Ring finger, marry, marriage, commitment. Little finger, alone, independence, choosing to walk solo. On the right hand, it's a different story. It's about power and fortune. Thumb, longevity and stability, often for elders. Index finger attracts allies and business partners. Middle finger, wealth magnet, a true symbol of prosperity. Ring finger, protection against negative energy. Little finger, reversal of bad luck, stepping over enemies. And here's the secret most people don't know. Never wear rings across two fingers. That V shape forms a symbol of loss and could drain your wealth. So next time you put on a ring, remember, you're not just accessorizing, you're aligning with energy, love, and destiny.